Hi, welcome to MarineMax Maryland. I'm John O'Donnell, and today I'd like to take you through a 2024 Aquila 32. Just arrived, gorgeous, gorgeous boat. We got twin 300s on the back here, so there's a lot of power. And it is a JPO, or joystick piloting for outboards, so maneuverability of this boat is not in question. Underneath here is a really, really nice, complicated looking but very easy to use swim ladder. It is the best swim ladder on the market, and you can go ahead and watch the video on that. A little bit forward here, you've got these twin loungers. This lounger here will lay flat and then folds out into one big plaza of a lounging bed area. Underneath, this hatch tilts up, and you've got your batteries and some engineering space and bilge pumps down below here. And the same thing on the starboard side. This seat also tilts up, and down there in the engine room, you've got your 5 kW Fisher Panda generator and some other machinery and switches and fuses and breakers. But nice, easy access with both of those flipping up like that. But lots of room back here. You can see there's plenty of room on the swim platform. So if you are doing some water sports and water activity, this is a really great boat for that. As we come here into the cockpit, or the main entertaining area on this Aquila 32, forward of the two lounges that we were talking about, you've got this great table here, and it is a leaf table, so it will extend out to a much larger table. Great for entertaining, serving dinner or lunch up here on your boat. Notice the long extended couch here, which is also very nice. Storage underneath everything. A little secret surprise here, a little pull out here, and you've got some cup holders and then some storage back there in the compartment, which is kind of a little secret compartment there. Don't tell your friends, it's only between you and me. On the starboard side here, again, more seating along here. Notice the nice stitching. This is the upgraded upholstery in here. Got the Aquila logo, but this is the upgraded upholstery. Underneath here is an insulated cooler box as well. Again, storage underneath all of these. Over here on your co-pilot side here, you do have this flip down. So the bolster does come down. And then you can take your backrest here for your co-pilot seat and then flip it forward. And then now you've got even a larger chaise lounge over here as well. So tremendous amount of entertaining space here. I mean, you can just be walking around here. Lots of room on this boat. Notice the shore shade up top here. So extendable shore shade from the hardtop, and providing nice coverage throughout the cockpit. So here in the command center on the Aquila 32, really nice setup here. You've got a captain and partner bolster seat here with individual bolsters, so one can sit high, one can sit low, which is really nice. Underneath here is storage as well, big storage cabinet underneath the seat. Here throughout the helm, of course, your standard controls here for everything, including control for your shore shade, which we looked at a minute ago. Nice little glove box here. You've got USB power, 12 volt jack as well for any accessories. You've got your Mercury engine management system information here, your Fusion Bluetooth stereo, so your kids, when they're on board, of course, they're going to connect right away and stream the music that they want to listen to right here on your Fusion stereo. A searchlight, which is mounted on the hardtop, and here's your remote control for the searchlight. 12-inch Raymarine display. Here's your joystick for JPO, of course, your twin controls right here, and some nice cup holders. Down lower, you have a Raymarine VHF radio. So really nicely laid out cockpit, lots of room, and it allows room for your guests on board to transit through very easily through here. So you have your two seats at the helm, then you got your co-pilot seat over there. So works out to be a really nice space, very comfortable for entertaining. Up in the top of the overhead, you do have two hatches that open up for ventilation, and also lets in sunlight as well, so it's really nice. And you got some speakers and LED lighting across the top as well. So just forward to the helm, on the starboard side, we have the head. Really nice. It's a vacuum flush head, electric vacuum flush. Nice ventilation fan over there, a little ventilation port. You've got the nice mirror. That's a pull-out shower. Then you got some steps coming on down in there. And of course, here's your vents right here for your AC. So to port, we have the cabin, which is a really nice twin bunk in here. We'll just sort of step down the cabin. So it's a great bunk here, nice view with ventilation. along there with those through-hull ports. Great size bunk here. Got a fan and some storage over here as well. And then you've got your main controls over here for your batteries and your C-zone. So there's your Fisher Panda generator controls. There's your AC control. You have your batteries, mains, and your C-zone and your breakers. And nice little steps here to get up and down. But really, really nice cabin here on board. Again, with more USB charging ports down there. So here we've got the galley on this Aquila 32. It's nicely located between your helm and your cabin. You've got your head right behind me. But down low here, you got a nice drawer fridge, a really, really large drawer fridge, which is just pretty spectacular. You also have a nice tilt-out garbage container here. This little controller right here is for this magical device, your electric Kenyan grill on board. So runs off your Fisher Panda 5 kW generator that you have on board. Here you got your sink, and this has a nice little area here where it's a little built in, so when you lock it in here when you're underway, and it's kind of a nice addition there. You do have a windbreak door here for the bow. Your windshield will also be able to come across and lock here for extra windbreak in the cockpit. But moving up forward into the lounging section up forward here, really nice twin loungers. You got, of course, armrests underneath your loungers. Cup holders, you have a separate stereo zone. There are you'll see some hatches for ventilation for your cabin and for your head. Underneath, you've got extra storage here under these guys, and just a tremendous amount of storage down here. For fenders and lines and extra supplies and stuff like that. Of course, you've got your anchor and your windlass with a freshwater washdown up here as well. And this is controlled by your helm. And then you also over here have another equally large storage area underneath this one as well. And behind me, we have the hardtop, and you can see the spotlight up there for the hardtop. Really, really nice, large hardtop. You can see the hatches that are there for sun and ventilation. But what a great design. Huge hardtop to protect your guests while you're underway. Thank you for going through this 2024 Aquila 32 with me today. I'll tell you, this for a 32-foot boat, this is a great family entertainer. You've got tremendous amount of space on board here for entertaining for the kids and adults alike. Shallow draft, so it's great for Chesapeake Bay, going up the rivers and up the estuaries around here and out on Ches Bay. Just an absolutely wonderful boat, and I really enjoyed showing it to you. I know you'll like the boat. I'm pretty comfortable here right now up on the bow lounging area, and you will be too. So I look forward to you all coming down to MarineMax Maryland to see John O'Donnell.